In today's video, we'll be doing a Deadpool themed fishtail belly paracord bracelet. Hey, what's going on guys? Tim here again. Got another tutorial for you today. Doing the fishtail belly in a Deadpool theme. So this idea comes from Sean over at East Coast Cord. I did a Weaver Spotlight on him previously. You can go check him out, link down below. But yeah, Deadpool 2 is coming out this week. Super excited for that. I've got a bit of Infinity War withdrawal, so I hope this will make me feel better. And it's probably going to be a great movie, a good laugh. But yeah, this is what we're doing today. Now, if you follow the link to Sean's pictures of this project, he did one with a couple of white accents on here to mimic the Deadpool eyes. I opted not to do that one because I just like the way this looks without it. And also his looks slightly different from mine, just in terms of the angle of these the black cords, because I kind of just looked at his picture and figured out my own way of doing it. So it's probably a little different from the way he did it, but overall this effect is the same. So again, huge thank you to my Patreon supporters. If you guys want access to exclusive tutorials and the monthly giveaway, be part of that, feel free to check out the links down below. And also, if you're looking for where to get paracord, check out those affiliate links as well down below. So that being said, time to make the chimichangas. Alright, so for this Deadpool bracelet, we're using a 6-strand core setup. Okay, so I've got a dedicated tutorial on how to do this setup. If you don't know how, you can find out the link for that in the description box down below. So we've got that set up on my buckles. And here's how we're going to start. I'm going to start with the black working strands. We're going to take the left strand, put it through the middle, like so. And then the strand on the right, put it through the middle and out, like so. Okay, so nothing special there. Let's leave those where they are. Next, we're going to grab our red color. Okay, we're going to put it behind our core, and we're going to bring both working strands out through these two gaps here. Okay, so right through one, right through two. Okay, so I've got the red coming through like this. Now we can start with our fishtail knots. We're going to start off with 3, so make sure this middle part is in the center. I'm always going to do left and then right, just to take out any guesswork. So I'm going to go left in through the middle, and then right goes in through the middle. And we're going to tie 3 of these fishtail knots. Okay, so continue that and go, remember, skip that first strand and go in. Like so, and then again skip that first one, bring it in. Let's do one more. Okay, so that's 3 fishtail knots. I'm going to push them up like so. You can tighten those top black strands. Next, we're going to switch to our black color. You're going to take the left strand, bring it from the outside in through the middle, then out the one on the right, same thing, outside in through the middle. Okay, so now you notice how I've got my red coming out the sides here and black here. And then now we're going to continue with the fishtail. So from here, you're going to take your black strands, you're going to move them up, keep them up there. And then with the red, you're going to continue that fishtail. So again, skip under the first one, bring that under, and then on this side skip under the first one and bring it through the middle. And then when you tighten it like so, you have that pattern that we're going after. See? And then now we're just going to continue that same pattern. So continue tying 2 more of these fishtail knots. Okay, that set is done. Push it up, keep everything nice and tight. And then again, we're back to where we started. You're gonna take your strand on the left, the black one, bring it in and out. One on the right, in and out. Okay, pull everything tight. And there we go, that's the pattern. Right, so then again, to restart that pattern, move these up, and then continue with your fishtail knots. Okay, quite simple. So now that we've got that figured out, just continue this pattern all the way down to the end of your bracelet, and then we're going to figure out how we can finish this one off. So we've come down to the end of the bracelet, and depending on the length of your bracelet, you may end up in a decent situation like mine. See, I got the last 3 knots in here, so it looks just fine. We're going to finish this up, but I don't think I can fit any more of the black strands. I can't do one more pass of those, unfortunately. So let's get that through there. Okay, there we go. Looks good. So now let's get this off the jig. And in terms of snipping and singeing the excess paracord, I think this should be just fine. You can just snip in and singe it where it is. I mean, you can pass these 2 underneath there, but I think I'm just going to snip in and singe them where they are. They're held in pretty tight there. And we'll press them down so they don't touch the skin. Okay, and there we have it, guys. We are finished. This Deadpool fishtail belly is done. And as I mentioned, you can do the white accents if you want, but I like this one without the white accents just because of the way it works out. I think it just looks a bit better that way. And of course, here are some shots of the bracelet on the wrist, as per usual at the end of the video. Again, huge shout out to Sean over at East Coast Cord for doing this one up, and glad I could share it on my channel. You can check out his profile link down below. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, feel free to hit that like button. And also, if you're not subscribed, feel free to subscribe for more content like this, as well as turning on notifications. Thank you so much, guys. See you on the next video, and let me know in the comments down below if you're going to watch Deadpool 2.